girl named Lucy. No. Damn. Okay.
Yo, Robert.
Hey, what's up, man?
I hope you don't mind. I invited myself in. What are you doing?
Cool. Playing a game. Do a little bit. Game in.
Oh, I brought some food, man.
Oh, yeah. I did. Sorry about that.
But don't you have a script due tomorrow?
Yeah, but it's not a big deal. I can get it done in an hour.
Well, how about we put your money where your mouth is?
I'm listening.
$50 says you can't get it done in an hour.
Are you serious?
Yep.
It's gonna be the easiest $50 of my life, sir.
Oh, time starts now. Well, where are you going?
I want to get started. Only got an hour.
Well, meanwhile, I'll be here.
All right, sure. Let's do this. A man in his early 20s is typing on his computer. He's staring intently at the screen. Note to self: actor must have manly, thick eyebrows with long, sweeping eyelashes. Hell no. No way. It's too pornish. Just don't want to be giving off the wrong vibe and shit. You know, false advertisement. It's like, why am I even thinking this? A crack addict trying to get his fix? Nah. Shit. All I know is this bitch better have the goods. No. Let me think. How about it's Hunter's first time using some shit called Grindr?
She goes to our school and she wants me to meet her at the party right now.
You can't even see her face. Hey, but whatever, you do you, alright? I'll meet you there. I gotta get ready. While you go rendezvous with some complete stranger,
You have him calling out walking through the forest.
Sex Bunny 69? Where
are
are
you?
you? Oh God, please don't let it be a 40-year-old man. Please don't be a 40-year-old man. I'll never hear the end of it from Derek. Sex Bunny?
Nah, it's too generic, too cliche. Oh, how about a dramatic comedy titled Sexing Gone Wrong?
Not nice to look through other people's phones.
why are these pictures on your phone?
Time's out. Pause. Hold the fucking phone. This shit sounds boringer as fuck. Nobody gonna wanna watch this? Oh, I know. Plot twist. This bitch can be a psychopathic serial killer catfishing this fucking idiot. Horny ass men perfecto mundo. And the end. Yes. And with time to spare. Suck it.
Is that ending too random? Hey, Robert. What do you think? Hello? Robert.
Sex Bunny 69?
Oh my god. This is stupid. This is so stupid.